We're starting our adventure this morning. We're on our way to Bird in Hand, and then on to Intercourse, and then on to Gordonville, and then Strasburg. So we're gonna make a day of it, and we're gonna try to squeeze in a buggy ride. I'm hoping we're going to do that. So Bird in Hand is first. I think we're gonna try to check up a quilt store out. Looks like a good day for it, doesn't it? Looks pretty. We'll see what the day entails.
Fudge, brittle, candy, scratch.
Here is the map that we're going to go by. She highlighted it for us. There's a
Pumpkins and stuff.
She said up Bird in Hand was only how many blocks? About 5 blocks. So.
Kid, they're holding. So, where do you want to turn and go off?
Well, I thought you was going to go to that place there.
What's the name of it?
It looks like a little bit bigger than a king size, and it's 700. There's the farmer's market. They say stay away from there because they're expensive, but man, look at this. What is this? Bird in Hand.
Half marathon. It's a race. I heard her talking about it.
Okay. Straw for sale. Bird in Hand restaurant, the stage, Josiah for President. That's a play or musical. Definitely wash day because everybody's got their for sure.
Organic greenhouses. I got a tiller. Maybe that's. Here's the miniature.
Got the wash on. Welcome. Free petting zoo. Oh, she's.
Maybe you could ask these people where would be a good.
I think we hit the jackpot with this store. This is the store that I want to find something at. Ooh. This is just down there in their little shop outside their yard. Gorgeous stuff. So I really like this one. It's queen size and it's 600, I believe. It's the colors. I love the colors, the green and the black and the cream. And they're both log cabin, but I love this one too. It's king for $100 more. I just don't know which one to get. It's a beautiful apron. Open this little box.
What do you say?
Get over there, Caleb. We're gonna get some root beer. $1.75. He's pretty, isn't he?
Yeah.
Hello, baby. Aww.
You need to go in that barn and look at the other one.
What is this one doing?
My name is
Are you knocking on the door? And look, there's
Nadita.
There's a little
Hello, baby.
It's a boy. Oh, this one.
Look, what is it?
I don't have no food. His name is Cody. Oh, Cody.
Sonny, the big guy. He's probably the one that pulls the wagon.
Shall we give him some food? That's what he's like. He's a pretty horse, though.
Man, he's pretty. He's been begging for a while. There's their transportation. We have 2 of them. Mama will.
He's not eating.
Mama will.
Well, don't get too close unless your finger hands are ready. That one was the nippy one.
Hey.
You're very important. No, you want to feed the one, the baby, don't you?
Okay, we bought, or I bought a bunch of stuff, but I got other people's stuff too. I'll show y'all all that later. But show them the label on that one. We got a homemade root beer. Put it up here where they can see. It's Linda's. Yeah, and it was $1.75. Give it a swig. You don't like it?
It's too strong.
Let me try it.
Man.
Let me see if I like it. Woo! It tastes like licorice.
Yeah, that's...
Okay. I don't think I like that either. All right, let's try the whoopie pie.
You try that.
It was $1 and was... Ooh, that is strong. It don't taste like A&W yet. All right. I've been really wanting to try this whoopie pie. That's good. Try it. It kind of tastes like a ding dong. I know you're not a chocolate fan, but very, very, very moist. Very, very good. This is good. I like this. Real good. What is the name of this place?
This little country store and something, mini horse rides. I don't know.
Good place. We liked it. I don't even know what road we're on. We just took a back road and found it. So
We're right here. Right
You
past
don't
the
know
old windmill farm and little country store and miniature horse farm is what it's called.
close to.
We're south of 30, almost to Soundersburg. And there's Paradise. Bird in Hand and all that other stuff. Intercourse is on back up and then further down 340.
Yeah.
Is that where we want to go?
Then we got to be at Gordonville at 2 o'clock.
That's Strasburg.
Or Gordonville's over there. I think she said buy it.
Well, maybe we need to find
All right, y'all. We'll be back in a little bit. We're gonna go see what else we can find. Lady, she's throwing our wash water out on the side porch.
chickens. Chicken coop down That's the electric car.
I think up here is with that lady. She's cutting her, she's selling flowers. That's neat. Oh, they're picking like berries or something like that. You really can't tell, but that's a ton of tobacco in that farm. And that one too, behind that one. Look at all of the sausages. Oh, you think that would taste good smoked, babe? He's seeing what kind of cases they are. So this is what the name of the store is that we're at. They just have all the cheeses, all the, oh, it just looks delicious. All your fresh meats.
We have a register open in the back of the store with no line. We don't want to wait this big one line.
You want to eat here? There's a deal over there, but it's not a buffet like you're talking about. You need to ask this guy at the register if there is a...
So here's a little deal of a whole bunch of whoopie pies. Yum. Look at the little pies. It's a shoe fly pie. Oh, you can get your oats and your different items individually like that. We have your teas. I think I'm gonna get my mother-in-law and Kennedy some of this tea. So I got some tea and a shoe fly and sticky bun, all that here.
Turn right onto West.
You know what I'm saying? It must have an engine that's spinning a PTO to make that thing to pick up the hay. There's a good picture of it there. I ain't never seen a setup like that before. And gas engine, but he's pulling it with those mules. He should be getting ready to make a bale. That's like alfalfa, it's real green. Yeah, he's fixing to make a bale. What happened? That didn't get tied. Solar panels up there. Maybe they're charging a battery or something.
That corn just looks so good.
They're huge ears.
Hell, looks like it.
There's multiple cops here.
Uh-oh.
Or something.
There's Intercourse, Mercantile, Zook's Dry Goods, Nancy's Notions, and Country Cover. We're here.
I'm pretty sure that place is closed.
So, earlier today, I bought some stuff from her.
That's a different lady. Or no, the daughter's still in there.
Yeah, well, it was so fast.
They went to market.
I bought some sticky buns and some strawberry jelly and some molasses crinkles. So we're going to see if they're good later on. So this is like a buggy lot instead of a car lot. And we have this one right here for sale, as is, fair condition. Fiberglass body, plastic front, some soft spots, wood door seals are fair, plastic doors, framed windows with quick catches and wipers, LED lights, $1,494. This is used, so that tells you that the new ones are more. Oh wow, look at the dash. And the seat is kind of fancy. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then we have this one. I'm not sure what's going on here. It's Levi Yoder's. It's sold. The price of it was $5,495. It's used. New value is $7,300. Wow. Wow. Here's another one for $1,500. This one says it's for disability. It doesn't have it just has like their address, and here's one for $900. It's a little rusted, maybe a little rusted. The door's kind of broke. Maybe it was in a wreck. This one's almost 4. Oh. There you just have a frame. I think that one's been here a while. Sign's kind of messed up. There you go. The most expensive one being over $7,000. That's not even counting your horse. Now this one's shiny and new, so no telling how much it is. Let's see if we can see inside. Not really. A little bit tiny baby. He's going, isn't he?
Yeah.
We got too late in the day, but this is where the locals buy their stuff. Bird in Hand Farm Supply. It's from 1970. Okay, this is all the treasures that we got today. And we'll start off with the quilt. Show us, model it for us, darling. It's a queen size, and the colors are black, a dark green, cream, and gold. And can you open it so they can see the pattern? It's so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. So just imagine that open all the way. And so I got that. For me, that's mine. And then I got my daughter-in-law a table runner, and she does a lot of black and white in her house right now. So it's a Christmas table runner. And the other side. It is reversible, but this is the side that we went for.
I like that. It's Christmassy.
Yeah, if she wanted to use that side, that'd be good. And then we got some cookbooks. One of them fell on the floor over here, but I got one for his mom, my mom, and Kennedy. And then, of course, some for me. This middle one right here was given to me from the lady that I met today at her home. She done Amish meals in her home, and I'd called, and she wasn't doing them this month because they were hosting dinner services in her house this month. She's old order Amish. But she wanted us to come by anyway, and she gave me that cookbook. These right here are really, really neat. It's to hold a bowl in the microwave. You put your bowl there, and then you pick it up on each side so you don't have to touch the hot bowl. One's for Kennedy and one's for me. I got the one with the Amish scene on it. Turn it this way. Yeah, it has the horse and buggy and the covered bridge, all of that. And hers is that. And then I got me this ornament because I have to get ornaments everywhere I go for our travel tree. And then I got some pot holders, and this one's for his mother. I love that. It's really thick and it's quilted. Got this one for my mom, Granny. She likes apples and she likes red in her kitchen. And then I got this one for me. I went ahead and did fall, but you can see that's really detailed. Love it. And then I got some hot tea. We like hot tea. That's a chai. That's a chai. I'm not sure what other. I thought it said lavender. Oh, this is the one that says lavender. So it's a fruit blend with lavender lemon. That's really good. All right, and then I got some soap. And that's for Kennedy. And then we got some sticky buns. and some molasses crinkle, another sticky kind of bun. I have not ever had shoe-fly pie, so we got a little one. And then I got some jams, a couple of jams for other people. And then we got this one from the road stand where I got these two items here, and little road stand. And then this right here, I got at an antique store that we stopped at. It's $15. It's old. You can tell it's really old by looking at the back. It's just a little shelf. So that is our treasures that we got, and we're bringing back for everybody.
But the bill.
Oh, and we got to eat. It wasn't very good. All right. Well, that's what we got in Amish country. We enjoyed our Amish country adventure. All right. Until next time, we'll see y'all. Keep looking to the east. Bye.